What's up guys? It's Alex from Kiss My Keto again, and I'm here to tell you about something that's very close to my heart. Burning fat without doing anything. We have something for you called the Waist Cincher Bundle. You're probably thinking like, what is a Waist Cincher Bundle? That's what I thought when I heard about it. What it is it gives you the ability to sit on a couch, enjoy your time with your favorite pet, and burn fat. How do we achieve this miraculous adventure? Well, through these wonderful products. Through Keto Protein, our MCT C8 product, the Keto Burn, and the Keto BHB. With this simple bundle, you could literally be taking a day off and actually burning and incinerating fat. Why? How do we do it? Well, we start with the Keto BHB. This is an exogenous ketone salt in a capsule. We then add the Keto Burn, which is a herbal remedy to help you incinerate that fat through a natural methodology. Then we add the highest and most potent forms of MCTs, our pure C8 caprylic acid. This is our best-selling product. And then, just for good measure, we add in collagen with our MCT powder and stevia and cocoa powder for the Keto Protein. And as you can see, I've got my hands full. There's no time for me to exercise. We're founding a company here. I'm way too busy for that. So I buy these products, I use them, and I burn fat. This is the Waist Cincher. Guys, I highly recommend this bundle. And I'm wishing you guys an amazing fat burning weekend.